Welcome to another part of our Vasco Translator V4 video manual. In this chapter, I will tell you what is and how to use the voice translation feature. The voice translation feature is one of the main benefits of buying the Vasco Translator V4. It allows you to conduct a conversation in 76 languages. Would you like to see how it works? Let's move on to the device and do it step by step. From the main menu, select the first position, Conversation. You will see two microphone icons and below, two drop-downs with languages. First, select your language. And then select the language of your interlocutor. Once you're ready to start talking, click the microphone icon. Hello, how are you?
Witam, jak się masz?
The sentence has been translated aloud into the language of your interlocutor. If you wish to share the translation, tap the share button. And then, type in your email address. And then click Send. You will now receive an email with a PDF file of your translation. That's it for the part. Now you're ready to conduct a conversation in 76 languages. I invite you to the next parts of our video tutorial, where you will learn about other features of the Vasco Translator V4. See ya!